How to fix Telegram limit exceed, please try again error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Telegram's app limit exceeded and you'll need to try again error. So let us get started. The first thing you'll need to do is check for your internet connection. Make sure that you have a strong internet connection and that you do not just disconnect and connect back again. You can also try to turn on your airplane mode and turn it off. After doing that, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and try again with your Telegram. Check if the problem is fixed. If not, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your app store and check for updates on Telegram. So simply search for Telegram, and after you search for Telegram, you'll find Telegram Messenger, and there if you find an update button instead of the open button, tap on update and update your app. After you do that, your problem should get fixed. But if that also does not work, you'll need to head over to your settings again, and on your settings head over to general. Under general, head over to iPhone storage, and under iPhone storage you will need to search for Telegram. So search for Telegram, and after you find Telegram, you will need to offload the app. So let me search Telegram here. So let me scroll down, show all, and there should be Telegram right around here. And while I search for that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now there is Telegram. Now what you'll need to do is offload the app. Simply offload the app, and after you offload it, reinstall the app. And after you reinstall, your problem should get fixed, and that is basically all. That is how you do it. If again that does not fix your problem, as the error says, you will need to try again later. So just wait for a few hours and then try back, and your problem will just not be there. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.